Wow, you cooking? What you cooking now? What is that? You know how to slice? Look at mama. Hi. Wow, what's that? What color? Green. Very good. Oh, what's the other color? You serve mommy? You slice nga? How to slice the fruit? Come on. Oops. Where's the knife? There. Wow. Wow. Is that a pumpkin? Yes. Oh, you slice ka the pumpkin? Wow, yun yun. Okay. Yeah. Ano naman yan? What's that? Orange. How about watermelon? Where's watermelon? Wala. Gone? Oh, look for watermelon. Look inside the box. There. I get it. Wow, it's lemon. How about watermelon? Yeah. How about watermelon na? Watermelon. Oh, get mo. Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Pretending to eat. Oh, put in the plate na. Mm. Oops. There's another plate. Oh. Get another plate. Ayun o yung plate oh, katabi ng lemon. There's a plate there oh. No, there. The green one plate. Oh, saan punta? Yeah, oh, get mo. Yan, very good. Good job, Mira.